Hello friends, welcome for watching my videos and I hope you will continuously watch in future also. Friends, I am going to tell today about English language, translations and the grammars. These are three parts of the English. If you want to be success, if you want to be perfect, excellent, and make your life successful, we have to know English language, translations, and the grammar. First of all, we talk about the English language. English language is a very important two conversations to discuss and give and take the conversations each others. But translations, there are many parts of the translations. Translations, tense, model auxiliary, primary auxiliary, linking verb and usage. With this help of, we can speak well, perfect and excellent. There are other part of the grammar. There are many parts, many portion in the grammar also. Parts of speech, direct, indirect, narration, etc. With the help of grammar and translation, we can speak anything, we can talk to any person, anything, we can success in interview with the help of three. If you don't know, if you miss one of them, you can't speak English language. We don't know the translations and we don't know the grammar. Your conversations, your success becomes empty, becomes less. So friends, let us talk one by one. English language. English language, what is the English language? English language is the part of the sentence. We can change, we can convert one language into other language. And grammar. Grammar is very important. Grammar and translations. Many friends, many students say very heartily, very perfectly that I know the translation and grammar. But I can't speak. I can't speak. I know being the known. Even though I know the translation, grammar very well or in detail, but I have one problem. I can't speak a sentence. I can't communicate to persons. One problem. One problem is I can't speak. So I am going to tell about the English language or speaking, spoken. How to speak? How to speak anyone if you know the translation and grammar? Why can't you speak? You have do no practice. Practice is a very important. If you don't know practice, you can't speak. Practice is a very necessary. Practice, but how to make a practice? According to me, I say you practice, make practice by yourself. By yourself. If you are sitting alone, if you are going anywhere alone, you are alone any place, please make practice by yourself. No problem. You are not afraid, you are not no hesitation, you don't mind a mistake. If you make a practice by yourself again and again, time to time, then you can speak to any person. This is the first solution of the speaking. If you know, and if you have a friend, make the friend who know the some English. That friends need to speaking, converted, make a conversations, talk to that friends small sentence, small sentence to your friends. Then gradually, one day you will become a success speaker. Friends, do you know the swimmer who know how to swim in the water? That is a one example. I am giving to one example. Swimmer, the student, the person, any person, how to know the swimming in the water. He doesn't learn in the sea, in the river, in the deep water. He learns shallow water. Shallow water that can't be drawn, that can't be die by the learning swimming. Slowly, he learns in the some water, pond, not deep water like the river, sea. Same way, you can speak small sentence. First half, all. You can speak this small sentence. And you know the second example I am giving to mechanic and driver. Mechanic know any part of his vehicles, motor, car, bus. Mechanic is a very important part to assemble, to make the repair the car, repair the bus. Driver doesn't know even the any part can make driver, but driving. If driving, who know the best driving, who is the better of the driver, mechanic or driver. Driver is better than mechanic. Why? Driver make practice. Driver make practice. Mechanic doesn't make practice. So practice is very important. Practice is very important for English language, friends. One example. I am telling a real example. I am going to tell a real example. There was my friend. He passed the 10th class. He went in city and doing a job under a bus. His boss, his master, his officer speaks maximum sentence in English. Slowly, hearing. My friends learn to speak this sentence. Many more sentence he also speaks in the English. When he came to my village, anything he speaks in the English. Anything he speaks in the English. I know better translation and grammar than him, but I can't speak English to him. But slowly he remains in the village and forget speaking English. Slowly. So situations. What is the reason he speaks English? You say situation. He got the such situation that can speak English. Situation is very important. Situation. Friends, you can make your situation yourself. Then you can speak English. There are many examples like this. And you want to speak, you want to learn. Please friends, my channel, Bharat sir, these are available in details. You can watch my videos and gain profit. If you gain profit, share to other friends so that they can get the benefit. Friends, if you new watcher on my video, please, I request you, subscribe and share to your friends. Friends, you will get, if you want all my videos, please go to my channel, O Bharat Sir, and go to DP, click on the DP. You will watch on the one line videos. Click on the videos and one by one see, one by one watch my total video. You will get surely, I hope you will get benefit also. So friends, today I am going to stop today. Thank you very much.